Gorgeous view here from our balcony. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you guys know that I am here in the city of Buzios in Brazil. This is going to be a first impressions type of videos where I'm going to be testing out a new product and I'm going to be doing checking throughout the day. And today we're going to be testing out a product, and this is the Plump It Voluminizing Lip Plumper. Let me give you a nice close up there. Alright, so this is how the packaging looks like right now. It really reminds me of the Glam Glow Plumper. So we're definitely going to be doing enough checkings throughout the rest of my stay here in Buzios so that I can tell you if it actually gives you that 24-hour impact plumping. As you guys can see, I have pretty thin lips. I always bring that up. So I do like to try lip plumpers, and honestly, none of them have given me dramatic differences. Ready to apply. I hear the stuff is super strong, and being in the middle of my trip abroad, and I do have, you know, travel assistance and stuff like that, but I really wouldn't want my trip to end with a massive allergic reaction and an emergency visit to the doctor here. So let's just do one click and we'll see that some stuff is coming out. No. Nothing. Is this stuff broken? Like, this would be a major fail video. Nothing came out. Okay, one more time. Hey, like, are you like, there's nothing there. Is this like, is there nothing in there ever going to come out? Maybe there's some air on the tube at first. That would make sense, but there's like, there's nothing coming out. What? Oh, there it is. So expect the first few clicks to do nothing for you because there's clearly some air there inside the tube. Alright guys, let's do this. Take a good look at my lips before, because we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna go for it, and if it's painful as they say, we will see. Alright? Okay. No pain so far. I don't have any special, no tingling, no nothing so far. So let's just go ahead with the second click. Like, I'm so curious because everyone was so dramatic about this product and I'm feeling nothing. And I'm such an allergic person, you guys. I have several food allergies. I have like, oh wait, I'm starting to feel a little bit of a warm tingling, but it is very subtle. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera because I don't have a mirror here and I don't want to apply this on my nose. So there is a very mild warmth there, a little bit of a tingling sensation. It's definitely not painful, and I do see that as the wind comes, somehow it becomes stronger. Alright, so let's see where this goes. Hope you guys can hear me with all this wind noise. We'll do this full day wear test and we will see if this actually endures the test of time and see how it performs throughout the day. So I'm gonna go now and I will check in with you in a little bit. Alright guys, so I wanted to take advantage of this really good lighting right here to show you that actually the lips do feel warmer and a bit fuller, but the burning sensation here is so strong. And I wanted to warn you guys, if you're going to try this product, that the initial burning tingling sensation doesn't go away immediately. It's been like 10 minutes since my last checking at the balcony. So this is in fact a very strong product. I feel like I can take it, but you know, everyone is different and we all have very different like pain thresholds or pain tolerance levels. So I will be checking in with you guys again as I go through my day, and I will also take advantage of this opportunity to show you around here the place that I'm staying, this beautiful city of Buzios here in Brazil, so that you can also take a peek of that and just follow me around my day here with my husband. So I will be checking in with you guys in a little bit. Guys, so very quick checking. I still have that tingling sensation on my lips. They do feel like a teeny bit dry, but you know, the weather is pretty harsh here with all the sun and the salt water from the sea that we've been, you know, snorkeling and stuff. So that may also be partially to be blamed for that dryness. I am very curious about how long that tingling sensation is going to last. So I just ate and I was a little bit scared that I would swallow the lip plumper and kind of irritate my throat or something, but that went up really well and so far we're doing good. I just don't feel the tingling sensation anymore. This is just very, very soft right now. It's exactly 24 hours after applying the Plump It lip plumper for the very first time on my lips, and I wanted to share with you kind of my final thoughts and conclusions. So on my lips and in my experience, this hasn't lasted 24 hours. I think there's too much tingling for the actual result, but I do see that it does give you a plumping effect, and immediately, you know, after a few minutes you can see your lips going a little bit fuller. So I'm kind of in the fence about this product. I'm not quite sure yet if I would actually repurchase this product. I feel like I'm very comfortable with the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lip plumper. I've used that for the longest time. So as I always say, you guys are absolutely free to try this product and experience it for yourselves. I'm liking better my Sexy Mother Pucker lip plumper. It's like a very nice lip gloss. It gives me a bit of a color. I don't know, I just feel that it does more for me and it is much cheaper. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because that helps others discover it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all again